Good day and welcome to sales. Here we got a 2006 GMC. Today we're going to show you the operation with the pony motor and show you the operation as she goes up. It's a continuous rotation, double over center, dielectric tested, boom certified, nice bucket truck here. Take a look at the wonderful operation. You can see it go up there. I'm going to again slip up there and stop it and raise the dump body on it. You just switch the controls around right here and then raise it up right there. We're going to take a nice look under the body here so you can take a nice look at the frame. Take a look at that. Beautiful, beautiful frame on this truck. Thanks for looking. I'm going to raise her back down and get the lever right there. We're going to put it back down. We're operating on the Kubota pony motor right now. And I'm going to switch the power back up there. While we do that, I'm going to open the hood and show you underneath the compartment here. Take a look here. We got a beautiful engine under here. Boom is working and operating flawlessly on that Kubota pony motor. Going to slip around to the other side. And we have the boom here, and I'm going to slip underneath and show you that there's no oil leaks. Nice, beautiful frame under here. Thanks again for watching our video on this 2006 GMC, the Kubota gasoline with the pony motor, running, operating, and working. Beautiful truck. Give me a call on my cell phone at 260-760-5052. That's 260-760-5052. Visit our website at www.99trucks.com. That's the two number 9s, 99 and the word trucks, trucks.com. So thanks again for watching our video. And with that, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. If you'd like to see any other clips or anything, just give me a call on my cell phone at 260-760-5052. Thanks so much.